technique, we're going to do an ombre with detail. And for this, you're going to need your base coat, top coat and jet. You're going to need your effects powder in Princess of the Night, At Twilight, and Moonshine. So I've prepped, squeaky cleaned and base coated my nail. So I'm going to come straight in with a layer of jet. Keeping your application thin and neat, especially on your cuticle area. Down your side walls and capping your free edge. And cure that. We're now going to apply our second layer of jet. Jet's a really good base for any of the effects powders. It shows them in their purest form, as does satin sheets. And cap your edge. Cure that. Okay, so taking my brush and my effects powder, I'm going to start from the left and work my way over. So here I've applied Princess of the Night. So press Princess of the Night down the left hand side of the nail into that sticky residue layer. And you don't have to be too fussy with it. Just get it down there. And don't worry about it being neat in a straight line. Next you're going to take At Twilight. Make sure you clean your brush off between each colour. Apply this down the middle of the nail. This has a really sparkly, shimmery effect. And blend that slightly into Princess of the Night. And lastly, Moonshine. This is a grey silver. And this is quite a strong pigment, so do be careful not to put it over too much because it will dominate some of the other colours, as you can see here. And then blend from side to side. Now, as you can see, they seem a lot duller in comparison to this nail here, and that's because the top coat really brings out that colour. Now, if you're quite a confident nail artist, you can come straight in and apply our tiger stripes on top of your pigment. If you're not too confident with your lining capabilities, apply your top coat and finish your nail, and then do your tiger stripes. But I've been doing this a while, so I'm going to go straight in with my tiger stripes. Take my detail brush and some jet that I've popped in my palette, and I'm going to draw my stripes. And keep going until you've filled the nail. Try to do different sized stripes until the nail is full, and cure that. And now I'm going to apply my layer of top coat to seal that in and really bring this design to life. So as this is an effect powder across the whole nail, we need to make sure that we cover every part of that nail with top coat. Otherwise, when we wipe it, our effects powder will come off. As you can see, that's really brought out the shine in the effects powder and deepened the colour. Capping your free edge, making sure you've covered your sides and your cuticle area, and cure that. Now take your wipe off. To complete your nail, remove the sticky residue layer. And that also removes any of the excess effects that are stuck on the finger. And there you have your ombre and detail with your effects powders.